AI is crossing limits faster than most people realize. And honestly, this almost feels illegal. You can now seamlessly replace any character in any video. Not just the face, the full performance. The original voice stays the same. The lip movements stay perfectly synced. And you can even use your own video to drive the motion of another character. On top of that, you can restyle the entire video into completely different looks, cinematic, animated, or realistic. This feature is trending right now, but most people don't actually understand how it works or what the real limits are. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use this feature step by step using Kling V2.6 Pro Motion Control and Wan Animate 2.2 inside a Cool. So the link to a Cool AI is in the description below. You can test it for free from there. Alright,
After you sign up, you'll see a dashboard like this, and you'll notice that inside a Cool, there are many different AI tools available. But for now, we'll go to the Video Tools section. Let's first try the Character Swap feature, which is super trending right now, where you can replace the character in any video using your own image. So here, you'll see two options: upload your character video and upload your character image. Let me upload a video here where a girl is dancing, and then I'll upload the target image as well. This is just for fun, guys, so don't take it too seriously. Alright, after that, go to the Models section, and here you'll see three different models. First, let's try Kling V2.6 Pro Motion Control, and then we'll test Wan Animate 2.2. After selecting the model, go to Character Orientation and choose the option to match the video. Then set the resolution to 720p and hit generate. While this video is generating, we'll also create another version using the Wan 2.2 model. Just select the model, choose animate mode, and hit generate. I'll also create one more version where I change the mode to replace and generate the video again, so we can compare the results properly and see which model performs better in real use. Alright, now let's watch all three videos together, and you tell me which model you think is the best.
Gotta take the good with the bad, smile with the sad, love what you got and remember what you had.
Okay, so I hope you've watched all three versions. Honestly, I found all of them pretty impressive. They're really fun to watch, and the character swap feature is working surprisingly well.
if I had to choose just one model out of all three, I would go with Kling 2.6 motion control, because you'll notice that in this one, the original image stays the same and it only copies the character's style, which feels much more accurate and realistic. On the other hand, Wan 2.2 Animate does copy the character, but it also shrinks the image a bit, which isn't how the original image actually looks. So yeah, for accuracy and clean results, Kling 2.6 motion control works better here. Okay.
Now I'm gonna generate one more video where I replace the character with my own image, just to see how accurate the lip sync and facial expressions really are. Let's generate it and then check the result.
AI is crossing limits faster than most people realize. And honestly, this almost feels illegal. You can now seamlessly replace any character in any video. Not just the face, the full performance. The original voice stays the same. The lip movements stay perfectly synced, and you can even use your own video to drive the motion of another character.
Wow, that's amazing. The video looks really sharp and high quality, and the lip sync is actually quite good too. Alright, now let's move on to the next feature, which is Video Face Swap inside a Cool. Just go to the Video Face Swap section. Here, you'll see the option to upload a video, and if you want, you can also paste a video link instead. So I'll upload one of my own videos here. Then you need to upload the target face. I'll pick one face from the available options. Keep the classic model selected and then hit generate. While this video is generating, let's try out some face swap effects that you can use just for fun or for making memes. So click on effects, then choose any effect and any scene you like. Let's pick the Squid Game scene. Since there are multiple characters in this scene, you'll get the option to choose multiple faces. So let's select a few faces here and then hit generate video. And look at the result.
I missed you, baby sweet.
Honey, it's beautiful.
Just put your feet up. Relax.
There is no nobility in poverty. I have been a rich man and I have been a poor man, and I choose rich every fucking time.
That's amazing. This feature is honestly next level. You should definitely try it yourself and see how crazy the results can be. Now let's move to the last feature, which is image swap. Just go to the image tool section and select face swap. The process here is pretty much the same. Simply upload your image, then choose the target face. After that, select the face swap model from the options. I recommend choosing Face Swap Pro because honestly, it gives the best and most accurate results. Then just hit generate. Within a second, your image will be face swapped. And as you can see, the image face swap works really well. The dress, hairstyle, and outfit all stay the same. Only the face changes, which makes it look clean and realistic. So these were some of the face swap and character swap features that are trending right now. You can try these features yourself, ride the trend, and grow on social media. The link is in the description so you can check out Akul from there and test it on your own.